Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and my name is Francis Morty, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how you can use the shape builder to draw logo and do so many other things right in Adobe Illustrator. And the shortcut for the shape builder is Shift M, right? Let me check what how I'm telling you to do it. Okay, so that is it. Shift M or Shift plus M, then it will be activated. All right, and you can use it to draw so many logos, so many designs that you want to do. You can use for that. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I'm going to add a new artboard to this. Go to artboard. Please, if you are new here, just subscribe. Then I'll come to layers also and add a new layer and work on it. Now the first thing, I'll press Ctrl 0 for the page to be fit. Now first thing we are going to do is to draw one simple logo with ellipse tool, that is circle, and that logo will be Google Chrome. Alright, so let's get started. Just right click and take the ellipse tool, which is just pressing L, hold down your shift and draw a perfect circle. Now we don't want any color right here, so let's remove, and we want an outline color which should be black. Nice. Now this is the logo right here. I hope you can see it on my taskbar. So that is it. So we'll make a duplicate of this. So right now I think we should just use shortcut to Ctrl C and Ctrl F to paste directly on it. So Ctrl C to copy and then Ctrl F for it to be pasted directly on it. So come right to the edit here, then you see Ctrl copy. See, copy is this Ctrl C, alright, and then when you want to paste in front will be Ctrl F. That is what we are going to do. So just click Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Now it is on it, so I'll hold the Shift and Alt down now and resize it. So I think this is okay. Now this is what I'm going to do. Let me click and resize a bit. Alright, now I'll go right to my shape builder. Not yet. Come to my line segments right here, then I'll click on it, then I'll draw some lines across. Okay, there's some here like this, and then one also here. Alright, so I have them, so I just have to adjust them a bit. Click. Alright, bring it in. Now that I have all, then I can just make a copy down. Alright, so when you are resizing them, and that is it. So sometimes you might like to resize, and then you realize that when you resize, when you increase the size, it will be thin. The line, the thickness will be very thin, and when you reduce, it will become very thicker. But in my case, you will not see that. So let me come to transform right here, and then scale up kindness. Alright, so when you do that, when you scale it down, you still have the same shape. Look at it down, and you see it the same shape, and out to the same shape. Let's go to transform again and then uncheck there. Alright, let's decrease it and see what happens. Have you seen the difference now? Or let me zoom for you to see. Alright, so now look at it. Let me zoom out. Very big and it is thin. But when I decrease it, look at how it is. too bad. So for it to maintain the real size, go to transform, then check the kernels, check the stroke as well. Now come back, let's decrease and see whether we'll not have the same thing now. Have you seen it? Alright, so that is the only thing I wanted to show you. So let me increase it again. Go Control 0. Now I have this now here. I'll highlight everything and then come to my shape builder, which is Shift M, or I'll come right here and click. Now when I move around, you see the plus sign. So the plus sign means that I want to actually merge some shapes. So if I wanted to merge this area and this, I'll just click and drag across it. I hope you can see the line in. Then I leave it. It will be merged. Control Z to go back. Now look at it. Alright, to go back. Go back again. Now in this case, I don't want to do that. I just want to be able to add colors to them. Alright, so I'll just click, 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 click right here, and then when you want to delete something, hold the Alt for it to change to negative, then you can delete. Just click and drag around it. Then in this case now, I'll go and take a color, so it should be red. Now where the red should be, I'll just go and click in it, then the red will come. When I click, all will be red. So now let me come right here and then choose yellow. Now just click here, then the yellow come again. No, it should be green. Now come and click here. That is it. So in this case, I'm unable to do away with this. So this is what I'll do. I'll just click on my selection, come right here and delete. Press delete. Oh, sorry. Come right here, delete, delete, and delete. Now I have this down there. Alright, so now that I have a copy of this down, let me increase it a bit. Oh, sorry. Hold the shift first. Okay. Now click Alt, make a copy here. Now in this case, you see this is not a circle. Alright. Yes, it is just a path. So we can just distort. I hope you can see. Now let's go back. Then we will bring this at the middle. So let's remove the outline, highlight everything, come right here, and then take this sign right here, none. Then the outline is gone. So we realize there's nothing there like circle. Now I highlight this, increase the size a bit, then bring it inside here. Alright, just decrease it. Now make sure it is at the center, then I will increase again. Alright, now that it is at the middle, I can just, okay, I'm not going to add any effect to this, so let me just highlight all, right click and group. Alright, so I'll bring this one here. The outline is too big, so I'll decrease it. Alright, okay, the color should be blue, then I'll increase again, and the outline should be white. Alright, now let me hold the shift and select this also, and then come to align, horizontal align center, then it will be centerized in it. Wow. Now I'll just hold the shift and alt and then increase it a bit, and then I'm just done with the first logo design. Alright, right just here. Now let me move and see how many. Okay, so something very simple like this also. Okay, so we have the first one done this way. Now the second one, draw three circle. So hold the shape down. This, we don't want any color in here. Come right here, take black for the outline. You can decrease the stroke. Alright, this is cool. Now make a copy of it. So, and bring it right here. Make a copy again, bring it right here. So we are going to merge the other areas, leaving the intersect. Alright, so let's select everything, make a copy down. Now, let me adjust this a bit. Select everything, Shift M for the builder. Now we are going to merge this and this. So just click drag and merge and merge. Alright, but I think we have done the bad thing. Go back. So we are going to merge this way, then this way, and this way. So we are done with that, and we can just, let's increase it a bit now. Then we are done with this simple logo design, and we can just click and change the colors if you want. Give it a nice color. Maybe in this case I'll give it green. No, that is the outline rather. So come to the color, so green. This place should be red, and then the middle I can give it a different color. So outline should be white, and then inside should be the blue. Okay, now I have it done this way. I can highlight everything and remove the outline. Alright, so come right here, remove the outline. Here you have it done. So simple, but we want an outline for this. So simple. Alright, you can decide to add gradients. So we have it done this way. Come to my gradients here. Give it any kind of gradients I want. Give it a gradient. Give it a gradient. Give it a gradient. Just adjust this a bit. Come right there, click on it, then click on the gradient, then you can adjust it. So we'll have something like this. Press the V, then select, then the gradient is G, then come again, then V, select this gradient G, then something like this, depending on what you want to do for your design. So I think we are done with this also. Now let's try and design the new Gmail logo. Alright, so let's come with the line segments right here. Hold the shape down to have a perfect shape. Now I have this thing right here, the black. Increase the stroke a bit to 2 points. It's okay. Now press V, Alt down, then have this. Now the smart guide is helping me to have an accurate thing. Now if you don't have it activated, come to view, then come to smart guide. Alright, okay, now I have these two right here. I want to make this one long, then you should also go to the other side. Now I'll highlight this also, these two. Alright, now I'll make a copy again, and then I'll come right here, turn it down. Okay, I want this way. Alright, now I'll make a copy of it again. Okay, to select multiples, hold shift down before you make the selection. Alright, so I have it done this way. I'll just increase this a bit. Increase this. Now that I have this, I think it was having a curve, so I'll go and take my round, then something right here. I'll just send the thing. I think we'll get something very nice. So just increase this, sending it to the top. make a copy, hold the alt, and then bring the copy here. Take the line segments again, come right, hold the shift to have a perfect line. Now in this case, I'll just drag this ones downwards a bit. Okay, this should have been big enough before, and then in this case we'll leave it like that. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, move it halfway, reduce the size. Alright, now that I have this here, I'll select everything and then bring it downwards, make a copy, shift, no alt. Alright, so bring it down. Oh, I have exhausted the page, so shift and then reduce this one rather. I put it somewhere here. Alright, or it should be on the artwork here. Okay, so now that I have this, I'll select everything and take my shape builder. Then I'll drag. I'm going to merge from here downwards. Then this up to the top. Then do the same thing right here. No. Then merge this. Press the Alt down and delete this ones here. Wow. No, it wasn't like this, but see, that logo was, this is supposed to start from here. I think we can just adjust that now. Click, let me see. No, it is moving. What should we do now? Let's just drag it, because it was somehow big. When I saw it, it was big. So this should also come down a bit. Now I have something very nice like that. I don't even know the colors they've used, so I'll try bringing this one down. Okay, so the colors will show them. So let me just give it any color of my choice. I think these are their colors, so you can just give them any color. So this should be red. This should be pure red. This should be something else. Probably this color. Okay. Now that I have it done this way, I'll highlight everything and just come here and remove the outline. Just done like that. So let me see. Delete this. What is that? Okay. Take the zoom and then just click right here and fix this. Let me see. Wow. So what was here before? Let me just increase it. Okay. So in this case, I'll send it to the down. Okay. Now go back again. So I have it done nicely like this. This is okay. And then I wasn't looking at the thing itself, else I should have just give it its own color before. Now that is it. Let's go back, add a new artboard again, and on a new layer again, and then try doing more things with the shape builder tool. So now I have this right here like this. Remove, okay, give it a black color. Now an outline should be something yellow. then can be seen to. Now I would like to divide this. What should I do? I'll now take something like this shape as line segments. Then that is yellow. Select this also. Then bring it to the center. Alright, now I have this. Then now select, okay, center, align horizontal right. Now this. Okay, so I have it done this way. Now I'll just increase this, change the color of the stroke to black because I don't want that. Now I have black in now. So I would like to divide this into 4 equal parts. So I have to come with this also. Now take this again, then the center, this and this. I'll select all and do that same thing. Now I have all at the middle, so I want to divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, so now that I have it done this way, I'll take the shape builder again, just click, that is all. Okay. So I have it done this way. I'll just have to delete this, delete, and should I leave this? Let's leave it. Now you can click and change the color of all of them. So this should note the outline. I want to remove the outline rather. Come right here, give it black, and then this, give it a different color. Remove the outline. So okay, it should also be the ruby red color. Alright, now this should be black. Now okay, and when I come here, click on it and then give it black color again. So simple, right? Making your graphics work perfectly. So this is it, and we are able to add colors. If we want to have some kind of space around it, we can still just maintain the lines and then add little lines or space, but we can just click on any of them, then push it to the right, 1, 2 a bit, this one too a bit, this one, then I have it done this way. So this one it should go to the top. Okay, so I have it done this way, or I can just move this like this. For illustration purposes, for your own design, what you want to do, that is what you do. Alright, that is it. And maybe I want to draw something very little, so I come up with this and then do something like this. So in this case, I'll come right here, highlight this scanner, these two, and then send them inside. So I have something done just simple like that. Now I would like to add something that was at the top. So what should I do? Alright, so I'll just have to, maybe I want something like a circle big at the top, but I want to merge everything. Right, so let me select this and then hold my shift and send it down. Oh, this can be used as a logo for someone, right? So I have something very nice like this, increase it. Now I'll take my ellipse tool, right click and then take it, shift down and draw. Now I want something just like this. Alright, so what should I do? Well, I want it this way, but it should be one thing. Now I just have to highlight it to use the shape builder, merge it. Now it is now one whole thing. I hope that is cool. I can still add something else. Angle, then just do something like this. Bring it right here. Change the color. Send it to the down. Is it? Oh, should we end up doing cartoons? Oh, I hope this is interesting, right? So now that we have this, you can just take this also, make a copy of this, bring it at the top. Okay, reduce it this way, send it at the top, rather, then use this. Now that you have this, you can just make a copy of it. No, make a copy with Alt, and then make a copy again right here. Now in this case, we want center circle. Alright, so and we're actually done with the tutorial itself, but I'm just playing around with this. So shape, we are going to use the shape builder here. Now that I have this, I would like to change the color of this to something very dark. So we just double click. And now that I have it there, click OK. I would like to come up with something else on it. So I have something very nice right there. Let me change the color. Select the two, use the shape builder, then Alt minus, have this. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Recommend this channel to help your colleagues also acquire skill, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The name again is Francis Moti, and like our social media posts on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and it is still the same name as FM Graphic Designs. All right, bye bye, have a nice day.